morning, friends. This is Lady Flora and company. I got up earlier than usual this morning to get some work done. I have a lot of work to do, and everybody else was up early as well. It was just one of those nights where people were up when they were not supposed to be, when they were supposed to be sleeping, and other people were up trying to get them to go back to sleep. And yeah, a little bit of a rough morning, but certain people are sleeping now and certain people are awake now, and we're just going to make it work like we always do. Yeah, that's right. Because God is good and His mercies are new every morning. Let's find out what His mercies are this morning. Let's look for them. So on top of a lot of the work that I have to do today, there's also homeschooling and piano lessons, and we actually have been converting our garage into a bedroom, and it's been quite a process, but today is the day that, what are you doing? That we're getting carpet put in there. So that's really, really exciting. And yeah, so I'm gonna need to kind of take care of the kids while my husband manages the carpet situation. Mama, that's right. I get to be your mama.